my name is Krishnamohan, and today we are going to talk about my project StoryResume. And before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Krishnamohan. I'm an author, and I'm a game developer and a software developer. Graduated in Bachelor of Computer Science, and you can see my works in Amazon. My books are published in Amazon, and you can play my games on itch.io.com. I created this project StoryResume for one purpose. That is, for example, we cannot remember mathematical equation from our school or college times, but we will remember our stories when we heard from childhood ages still today. That's why I decided to convert resumes into a shareable storytelling format. That is, you have to enter all your CV details. It will convert into a shareable storytelling format, so that the recruiters or anyone who is want to know about you cannot even forget you, because it tells a story about who you are or what you are. So the process is simple. First, you have to sign in, or you have to register it, and please sign in to the tally form I created for future users, because as of now there is no pro users or subscription payment as of now. And as for free version, you can use it for free, unlimited forms with limited, only with limited. Guys, this is the home page. You can see sign in and get started. You can sign in using your account you created. And don't forget one thing, please, after sign in, before you creating resume, please enter your email address for future updates and so on. Please, guys. And it would be awesome if you can share with your friends. And please like this project, and please show your support. And this is the preview of the CV. Actually, your CV is converted into a shareable link, and as of now export is limited to only text actually, and more updates will coming soon. Thank you guys. Thank you.